If you're applying for a Bali visa without knowing the exact timeline, you're wasting 4 to 8 weeks, and here's how to get approved in half that time. Here's the problem. Most people submit their Bali visa application wrong on day 1. Tourist visa on arrival takes 15 to 30 minutes at Ngurah Rai Airport. 60-day social visa processes in 3 to 5 business days through the Bali Lawyer. Right now in 2026, thousands of foreigners land in Bali every month without understanding visa timelines. A real scenario: you arrive from Australia on a tourist visa, realize you need 90 days, and panic. Most people try DIY visa extensions and lose 2 to 3 weeks in back-and-forth emails. That's exactly why the Bali Lawyer built their immigration service. The cost of getting it wrong isn't just time. An expired visa can mean 5 million rupiah in fines plus exit bans that block your next visit. Most people fail here. They submit visa documents through unofficial channels or unregistered agents. The Indonesian Immigration Office rejects them outright without explanation. Then they waste 7 to 10 days resubmitting. Do not do this. The Bali Lawyer's team files directly with Imigrasi Bali using certified templates and tracking. Your application never gets lost. Step 2. Choose your visa type based on your stay length. Tourist visa on arrival is instant, 30 minutes. Social visa takes 3 to 5 business days. Business visa takes 5 to 7 business days. The Bali Lawyer handles all 3 types with zero guesswork. They file your paperwork the same day you submit it, not 3 days later like DIY applicants. Step 3. This is important. Prepare your supporting documents exactly as Indonesian immigration requires them. Wrong documents cost you 10 to 14 days in resubmission cycles. The Bali Lawyer provides a checklist that's current for 2026 regulations. Your passport copy, invitation letter, and proof of funds get formatted to their exact specs on day 1. Here's the problem with the DIY path. You research Reddit forums and YouTube comments for 8 to 12 hours, find conflicting information, prepare documents wrong anyway, submit them, wait 5 days for rejection, then start over. The Bali Lawyer path. You book a WhatsApp call. They tell you exactly what to do in 20 minutes. They file it correctly. You get approved in 3 to 5 days. Time cost is 4 hours versus 30 hours. Advanced move. If you're extending a tourist visa to a social visa, file the extension application 2 weeks before your current visa expires. Immigration takes 5 to 7 business days to process. If you wait until day 28, you'll be overstaying for 3 to 5 days while they process. The Bali Lawyer's 24/7 WhatsApp team tracks your visa expiry date and reminds you exactly when to file. They've already bundles the extension fee at 50 million rupiah into their standard package. When contacting immigration yourself, say this: Saya ingin mengajukan perpanjangan visa, social untuk 60 hari. I want to apply for a 60-day social visa extension. Skip the phrases as soon as possible or urgent. They don't speed anything up. Instead, tell them your current visa expiry date. Indonesian officials respond faster to factual information than emotion. The Bali Lawyer writes all correspondence in formal Indonesian, which gets you treated like a local, not a tourist. Tourist visa on arrival, 15 to 30 minutes at the airport. Social visa through the Bali Lawyer, approved in 3 to 5 days, no rejections. Skip DIY applications and avoid fines up to 5 million rupiah, plus exit bans. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and book your free consultation at the Bali Lawyer website now. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.